What if your leadership team could walk in every morning already knowing what demand looks like, where commodity prices are headed, and what risks are building in your supply chain without pulling a single report? This is the AI Command Center, built for animal feed manufacturers. It connects your ERP data with AI to deliver demand forecasting, commodity intelligence, market signals, scenario simulation, and executive briefings, all in one place. The data shown here is simulated, but the platform and AI capabilities are real. And unlike a static dashboard, every number you see is continuously generated by AI in real time. At the top, 5 live KPI cards give your team an instant snapshot, and this is what your procurement team would review first thing every morning. Feed demand forecast, AI generated. Raw material cost, a blended cost across corn and soybean. Production utilization, delivery efficiency, and inventory risk. An AI computed signal factoring in demand, supply chain exposure, and current stock levels. Below that is the heart of the platform, the demand forecast. The gray line is history. The blue line is what the AI predicts for the next 12 weeks. The shaded band is the confidence range, not just a number, but a clear measure of certainty. Filter by region with a single click. Accuracy runs 85 to 95% at the weekly level, improving continuously as the model learns your patterns. The regional demand map shows exactly where demand is concentrated, so your team can plan inventory positioning and safety stock and make purchasing decisions with confidence. Below that, real price trajectories for corn and soybean meal. Soybean has seen even greater price swings. Right now, the platform shows a weight signal on both. The AI recommends holding before making large purchases. The AI-curated market intelligence feed scans thousands of news sources and surfaces only what directly affects your supply chain: shipping disruptions, geopolitical events, logistics constraints. And with the scenario simulation engine, your team can model any combination of price changes, demand shifts, or external shocks, and see the impact before committing to a decision. In summary, the AI Command Center takes data from your ERP and generates demand forecasts with confidence intervals. It monitors commodity prices and gives your team actionable buy or wait signals. It scans thousands of news sources and surfaces only what affects your supply chain. It allows your team to run scenario simulations before committing to decisions. And it synthesizes all of this into AI-generated executive briefings, delivered automatically. This is how organizations move from data to decision in real time.